Here's how to export Claude Chat to Google Docs. Claude doesn't include a built-in export option. Instead of doing it manually, you can export everything in one click using the Claude to PDF, Word, and Google Docs extension. First, install the extension from the link in the description. Once installed, refresh the page. You'll now see export buttons appear. To download a single response, click the Docs button beneath the message. To download the entire conversation, click the Docs button in the top right corner. The file opens with formatting preserved, including text, tables, and math equations. You can also export specific messages by enabling the selection option, then choosing the messages you want. Now, this is a key step. By default, the export includes both your prompts and Claude's responses. If you don't want user prompts in your export, click the settings icon in the top right corner. Under Include Only Claude Responses, enable Entire Conversation Downloads. Now export the conversation again. This time, the file will include only Claude responses. That's it. Your Claude conversation is now exported as a clean Google Docs with formatting preserved. Like this video and subscribe for more quick and useful tutorials.